As a prerequisite, please review the BluOS Pro 101 webinar. Welcome to the Bluesound Professional Technical Webinar on the B170S Network Streaming Amplifier. I am Ross Eberlin, the Product Manager for Bluesound Professional. I will be taking us step by step on how to use the B170S. Let's begin. The Bluesound Professional B170S Network Streaming Stereo Amplifier is a complete solution for a commercial music installation. The B170S combines a high-quality stereo low impedance and constant voltage amplifier with a BluOS-enabled network music player. The B170S's amplifier section provides 2x80 watts of power into 4 or 8 ohms, or 2x 100 watts at 70 volts, or 1x 100 watts at 100 volts. This provides plenty of power for most small-medium spaces, and thermostatic fan cooling provides for reliable operation in commercial environments. The amplifier technology is highly energy efficient and also has a standby mode consuming only 6 watts of power. The addition of constant voltage outputs allows for long chains of small speakers to be powered with variable power tapping at each speaker, giving control of local volume. The form factor of the B170S allows it to be mounted individually, vertically, or horizontally on or under shelves or tables or on walls. Up to 6 B170S units can be mounted side by side in a 3U space in a rack using the optional RM160 rack mounting shelf for a compact 12-channel system with 6 independent or grouped zones. Specifications of the B170S are as listed. Note speaker output power levels for low impedance and constant voltage 70 volt or 100 volts. The status indicator on the front of the B170S provides an indication of current status of the unit. When solid blue, then the unit is connected to a LAN. The various connections on the front rear of the B170S are shown. Status indicator, LAN, USB-A, speaker out, line mic in, reset, subwoofer out, IR in, phantom power enable disable, and line mic selector along with AC mains in. The steps for the factory reset procedure of the B170S are as shown. Only use when reboot of app and player does not resolve the issue. I've listed some troubleshooting tips. Make sure the speaker out selector matches the speaker type, low impedance, or constant voltage. Make sure your speaker wire connections match the speaker type. Constant voltage for 100 volts has a different connection, the top and the bottom speaker terminal only. Do not overload the amplifier. Safe loading is 80% of a rated output. When using constant voltage, make sure speakers are set on correct taps and total wattage does not exceed limit of the amplifier. The amplifier will indicate an overload with a flashing red light. If the issue is not resolved, then the amplifier could be permanently disabled. To mount multiple B170Ss in a rack mount system, the RM160 accessory is available to mount up to 6 units. Or with the use of the keyhole mounts, the B170S can be flush mounted on a wall. Here is an application example connecting 10 BCS250 passive speakers using 70 volt constant voltage. The tap settings on each speaker is set to 7.5 watts. Thank you for reviewing the Bluesound Professional Technical Webinar for the B170S Network Streaming Stereo Amplifier.